Hi YouTube, I am Shweta. Welcome back to my channel. So very recently I had asked you guys on my community post as to what you guys want to watch, and there was a choice between your current energies or your energies versus your partners or their energies. So you versus them was one option, and another option was what are people talking behind your back? So what is the gossip that is happening behind you? So I think 70% or 60% of you chose the first option. So yes, this is going to be a you versus them energy. We're going to be checking your energies first. What are your energies, current energies, versus what are their energies, and then we'll see any extra information that we need, where it is heading, etc., etc. Totally depends upon what the cards are, right? And yeah, I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody who is supporting me, and I'm so overwhelmed with a lot of you guys showering me so much love. So thank you so much. And yeah, I think without any delay, let's just get into it. Let's see. Yes, it is going to be a pick a pile reading. So we are having two piles. I try to find, like, the most difficult part about doing this reading is to find two piles for you guys. Like, which pile should I get? The reading is not a tough part. Taking out cards is not a tough part. Reading intuitively is not a tough part. The toughest part is to find two piles for you. So I have two piles. Thankfully, I have quite a few crystals. So I have two piles in front of you. One is a rose quartz, pile number 1A, pile A or pile 1 or pile crystal. Rose quartz. This is going to be your first pile. The second pile is this clear quartz. So very nice looking crystal. It is shining. Can you see that? It's shining. So that's pile number 2. So intuitively pick one. It's not necessarily that you have to be called to only one. You can be called to both. So if it happens like that, then you can choose one. You can go for both, right? So yes, very intuitively choose which one is connecting to you. Pause this. I am guessing that you've chosen your pile. So yes, let's go ahead with it. Before I go ahead, this is a small request to please like, save, share, comment whatever resonated in this video, and subscribe to my channel. So many of you haven't subscribed yet, and it really means so much to me that you show your support, and it will mean a lot to me that you subscribe to my channel. And also hype, if you can, let other people also receive the goodness of this video that you are having. And thank you again so much for all the love, all the support, and all the amazing energy that you send across. I accept them wholeheartedly. And yes, let's go towards your video. All right, so if you have chosen pile number 1, which is this rose quartz, pile A, then this is going to be your tarot reading. A very nice crystal that you've chosen. And yeah, let's see what are your energies. This is going to be an energy check of you versus them, and whatever information that is needed, we're going to see. Okay, so let's see your energies. I'll check from here also, actually. I'll check from everywhere. Okay, let's see your energies. So you could be born on any number that has an odd number. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 25. All odd numbers is yours. Okay. Or you could be wearing pink, light pink, green, white, blue, black, navy bluish, royal blue kind of a color, red, and did I say pink and orange? Okay. So two cards have already fallen. And okay, I get a lot of questions like this that I'm not the same birth date, or I'm not wearing this color. Is it meant for me? Yes, it is meant for you. If you've chosen this pile, then it is meant for you. The things that I'm telling you is additional information for you to connect with it. But even if you've picked one pile, that is the most important thing, because your intuition has chosen it. So it's fine, okay? So I read comments now, so that's why I'm answering here only, okay? I feel like you're restricting yourself. Like, there is an energy where you, like, okay, pile number 1, you are interested in taking things more forward. You are wanting it. You're wanting your relationship to be more action oriented. You want yourself also to put more efforts. The problem is that you don't know where to put efforts. But it's like you are wanting to put efforts. You're like, okay, I want to take things forward. ठीक है, आप सामने से नहीं कर रहे हो. Your person is not being involved. ठीक है, you're like, ठीक है, I'll do it. ठीक है, the person in front of you is not taking efforts. You're like, चल ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, मैं कर लूंगा या कर लूंगी. You're not interested, let me handle it. But you don't know कि what space is open for me to put efforts in, right? You don't know what the other person's mind is going into, so there is no communication in that direction. You are not able to you're not able to meet them very often, so you don't know what kind of a zone they are in physically, you don't know. So it's just like you are wanting to put efforts, but you don't know where to put it. Do you want to put it in communication? But अगर आप communicate कर रहे हो तो वहां से ghost कर हो रहे हो आप. You're not getting any response. You're not getting any response. Hello, you're not getting any response. You are wanting to help them in some other task, but you're not knowing where to help them. You yourself are not having as many resources. आप ऐसे तो नहीं हो कि आपके पास बहुत सारे resources हैं. एक AC आपके पास जो है. So there is an energy where you have a pure heart. You are wanting things to go ahead. You could be a student, or you could be somebody who is just developing a crush, and you want things to move forward, but you don't have the money. No offense, but you don't have the resources, you don't have any stability that you can continue this relationship. So it almost feels like, ठीक है, अगर मैं relationship में आ भी गया या आ भी गई तो कैसे sustain करूंगी, क्या होगा? Maybe you're in a long distance, could be that you have not even seen each other, maybe this is an online relationship. अब आप खुद से पूछो कि आप इतने यंग हो, how can you sustain an online relationship? What will your parents think? What will your friendship think? So somewhere there is a sense of like fleeting energy. I can see a fleeting energy where you're interested and you're very optimistic, which you should be. I'm not trying to derail you, I'm not trying to demotivate you, but कैसे करोगे? Is there any space open? Maybe the person that you're liking also, उसने अपने कान नाक आँख सब बंद कर लिए हैं. This person is just not willing to open up. It's like you're banging your head against a wall. It's almost like you're dating a mannequin, or you're in love with a mannequin. You just don't know what they feel. They're so cold, and I will check the person's energy in some time, but I'm getting this energy only right off the bat that this person that you like is very cold. Not cold, but I'll say that stoic. कोई emotion नहीं, expressionless, कोई energy नहीं, and you're just trying to unravel this energy, and maybe that is why you're interested in them. कि you're like, I want to know the real truth behind this person. I want to know the real him. I want to know the real her. जो वो दुनिया को दिखाते क्या वो असलियत में है. And somewhere the reason why you must be feeling like this is because you must be feeling something different with this person. Like you must be feeling like this person has a soft corner for me, or this person does show me more emotions, or he looks at me a little longer, or she looks at me a little longer. तो आपको ऐसे feel होता होगा कि यार there's a reason why I feel like this. हवा में थोड़ी ना. Maybe you're seeing a lot of signs and synchronicities. Maybe you're getting a lot of intuition. Maybe you are getting reminded of this person constantly. you know so you are feeling like maybe there's some kind of a ulterior kind of a goal. Maybe ये कुछ एक conspiracy है. Maybe there's some universal hand that is coming into it. So you must be feeling it. Not it's not something हवा में. मतलब you're not thinking ऐसे randomly. It's not delusion. At least not till now what I'm seeing. Okay, let's see what else is there. Yeah, I feel like there are so many like personal insecurities that you're dealing with, personal issues that you're having, that this relationship or this person that you like is the only one that can give you that kind of a happiness, or that can give you that kind of a comfort, even if it is fleeting. मतलब कभी कभी लगता है कि आप इतनी you're dealing with so much in your life that only mere whiff of this person, or only a mere presence of this person can make your day. Sometimes you are having like family issues, or घर में fights हो रही हैं, या personal life is not going well, or you're just having family problems, financial problems, insecurity problems, past life problems, triggers are there, but somehow this person is just able to make your day a little better. It's like you forget about your problems, or you feel like okay, this person can help you, or being with this person is a immediate kind of a remedy. Even if you're not able to get across them, even if you're not able to communicate with them, even if you're not able to express yourself, and this is an expression problem from your side, by the way. Like other person is cold and all of that, but आपको खुद समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं express कैसे करूं. You don't know what to say, you don't know how. आप इनको मिलते हो, आपका जबान आपके मुंह में दब जाती है. Like you're like that, I don't know what to say. You're just like there's so much of expression issues to yourself. There are so many insecurity issues. There is also a place where you feel a fear of rejection. It's like this is like a crush energy. This is like an energy where you are having this thought about this person, but that's about it. ना ज़्यादा सोचा है, ना ज़्यादा समझा है, overthinking करी है, but उससे कुछ फायदा हुआ नहीं है. Like I can see you have overthought about these things, but it's almost like overthinking of what? Like what are you overthinking about? There's nothing, कोई concreteness नहीं दिख रही मुझे. Like I can't see a cup also. I see a pentacle, I see a wand, I see a sword, I can see a wand again. So I can see this more to do with like some kind of a obsession, or not obsession, I would say some kind of a passion that you have, or some kind of an exciting energy that you have. but I don't see like a deep level of love nahi aa raha hai. Or maybe you're misunderstanding love from this, because love has to feel very calming, and this is not a calming energy. It's like you meet this person and your heart races, or you meet this person and somewhere your anxiety also spikes कि आप थोड़ा आपके हाथ पैर कांपने लग जाते हैं, you're sweating and all that. Maybe you're feeling nervous, like this could be a nervous temperament also. But it's also showing me the lack of grounding energy, like there is a lack of maturity also. No offense, but आप थोड़े से immature, or you're liking somebody who's very very mature to you. This could be somebody who's a senior in your college, or this could be somebody who's a senior boss or a senior manager, or somebody who's pretty older to you, and you're just not knowing how to behave in front of them. Like आप थोड़े से cold feet हो जाते हो, which is cute. It's cute. It's like a cute energy, right? It's not something like, oh my god, I'm in like love and this is like karmic for me. It's like a loving energy, not something very, not very something very severe, right? So that is what is coming to me. Actually, let's look at this only. What else are you feeling? Okay, what else is this current energies? Okay, let's see. Yeah, I feel like you are trying to um there are places where you are trying to move on from this person, or you are knowing this. मतलब मेरे को लग रहा है कि आप समझते हो जो मैं बोल रही हूँ, कि आप ऐसे delusion में नहीं हो, but somehow you're just like you're trying to move on, but somehow you're not able to. Like you try to forget about this person, or you try to look at other things, you try to find like, see, six of swords and seven of, like it's like the memories of this person, or just the mere thought of this person like pulls you back down. And somewhere it's hard to move on from this person, because somewhere i can see that kind of a I can see that kind of a attachment that you have with this person, right? I feel like the attachment doesn't only have to be ki, ha, I need to have this person in my life. Like the feeling that this person brings into your life is enough for you to get attached to. कभी कभी बिना बात करे आप attach हो सकते हो, right? It is kind of like a uh, it's kind of like a feeling of what they do to you rather than what you feel for them, right? And even without them acting towards you, and without them having any response towards you, without them doing anything, they give you so much comfort. तो कहीं ना कहीं वो addiction उस comfort की है. I feel like there are a lot of places where you try to use this love, or you use this relationship as a band-aid to fix a lot of your own personal wounds. And it's not about the love anymore, it's about what that band-aid does to you, like that feeling of things healing, whether it is healthily or unhealthily, that's a different topic. But it gives you the sense of, okay, nothing is bad anymore kind of an energy. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि when you like, a lot of people think that home is a comfort. For you it is not. Home is not a comfort. Like you really desperately want to move out. You have a lot of like home घर पे fights बहुत होती हैं यार. You're not able to just get, people are not able to understand you at home fronts or something like that. And even I feel like even without knowing this person, you're just like, yeah, this person understands me more than anybody else. Even without having any kind of a deeper interaction, or without even knowing this person in the depth, maybe you have had like one or two conversations, but somehow you just feel more heard. Yeah, you feel just more heard. And that's why when you even, sorry, when you even try to move on from this person, it's just like you get pulled back. And you do try to fight this energy, like you do try to like make yourself grounded. मतलब आप अपने आप को aware करने की कोशिश करते हो कि यार ये, this is not something that is going in any direction. Like you're very self-aware, like I know that I'm being like stupid, I know that I need to move on, like this is what you tell yourself. But somehow it just doesn't happen. It doesn't happen because there are so many things that are happening in your life that you just feel like यार एक और burden में नहीं ले सकता हूँ, या एक और burden में नहीं ले सकती हूँ. ठीक है, if this is something that is not giving me that respite, it's okay. At least it is going to be less painful than whatever shit I'm going through in my life, you know. So anything else? Why am I seeing pathway all the time? क्या चल रहा है? Family dynamics. It's like I don't know why I'm getting in this energy where you know that you don't want another burden in your life because you're so hell bent in doing something concrete in your career. अभी तक भी मुझे कप energy नहीं आई है. अभी तक कप energy नहीं आई. I'm only seeing wands and swords. So I feel like you have kind of become, if you're a woman, you have completely embodied yourself in a masculine energy, and now the main priority is for you to just get out of your hometown or like old school like energy, and you want to make a mark for yourself, or you're wanting to have a new path breaking thing, you are wanting to study more, career is more on focus, professional life is more on focus. Even if you're a man, it's like that. Ki, yes, you are like in like you are interested in somebody, you are wanting to meet somebody, you wanting a communication to happen with somebody, but you are also very aware of what you are lacking right now and where you need to put focus on. And career is a very very important aspect of your life, and you don't want to kind of be blindsided towards it. एंड क्योंकि ऐसा हो रखा है पहले पास्ट में ऐसा हो रखा है जहाँ पे यू हैव you have badly screwed up your career for somebody else, or you have badly screwed up your studies for somebody else, and you're just like, I can't do it anymore. Or subconsciously you're just like, you know what, theek hai, this person is in my life, but there is other things that I need to put focus into. So I'm getting this feeling where you're trying to find ways in which you can shift away from home, or you want to leave, or you are wanting to distance yourself away from what feels comfortable or what used to feel comfortable, and you want to give yourself a new ray of hope. You're wanting a new energy, like some kind of a new energy I'm seeing for you, कि आप बहुत कोशिश कर रहे हो कि आप अपने circumstances को change करो, अपने luck को change करो. And somewhere when it comes to this person, it's just like all these, responsibilities kind of go away from you when you are thinking about this person, or when you're around this person, or when you seek this person's energy in your life. I feel like right now you are just like very scared because you. I feel like you're definitely wanting to interact with this person. You want things to move ahead, but you're also very scared because you think that this is going to be a big risk for you. It's like very interesting because आप अपने boundaries को थोड़ा weak कर रहे हो. You're like opening your energies up. You're like, okay, let me initiate, let me take an action. But you're also like, if this person comes into my life, मैं क्या बोलूँगी, मैं क्या बोलूँगा, like what will I say, what will I react, because you're kind of afraid. So it's like there's an element of risk, but there's also a need for you to take this step ahead. Like I also feel like you are wanting to confess. Every day you think that I want to confess, I want to confess, I want to confess. This could be somebody that you've been liking for a very long time, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. But you're just so afraid to confess because what if this person says yes? What if this person says no? What if this person is like, it's like you're scared of rejection as well as you're scared of acceptance. Because if you're scared of obviously you should be scared of rejection, because rejection ho gaya to kabhi bhi baat ho nahi payegi. It'll be awkward, let's face it. Nobody's friends after confessing and after getting rejected. That's just BS. But if this person accepts, then what will you do? Because now it's like, I have another person in my life while I'm trying to figure out everything in my life. And you are a perfectionist. Hello, you're a perfectionist. तो आप ऐसे पर्सन हो जहाँ पे जब तक हर चीज़ एकदम करेक्टली नहीं हो पाती तब तक आप उसके चीज़ में बंधे हुए रहते हो. यू आर अ परफेक्शनिस्ट. सो नाउ इफ दिस पर्सन कम्स इनटू योर लाइफ, योर अदर थिंग्स आर फ्लॉड, योर अदर एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ लाइफ आर फ्लॉड, यू आर लाइक, आई कांट डू इट एनी मोर. बात बने तो प्रॉब्लम, बात ना बने तो प्रॉब्लम. Interesting. So again, like anything else that I'm seeing? What else is coming to me? Yeah, you're very like confused. Like I can see a sense of confusion. I can see a sense of like there's confusion, but you're also hopeful. It's like मुझे नहीं करना. Like मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप इतने टाइम से you are so tired of making decisions for yourself, for others, for everybody else. You're so tired of just being the person who takes initiation. You're just like, now this time let the other person take a step forward. That's what you're saying, because you're just so confused about what to do, like whether you want to confess, whether you want to talk, whether you don't want to talk, whether you want to focus on other things, because you know that there are other things that are much more in pipeline, but you also know that this person gives you happiness. It's like you are tired. Like every day falling in love is a tiring process. You're like tired every day because every day is a new challenge for you. There's another layer of confusion, then there is another layer of hope. Confusion, hope, confusion, hope, confusion, hope. इसमें गेम खेलते रहते हो आप. तो कभी कभी आपको लगता है कि यार एक दिन क्या ये मेरे पास बस आ सकता है, मेरे को बोल सकता है कि यार you are a nice person. Can you just say that? Can you just tell me that you are a nice human being and you deserve everything in life? मुझसे ये भी मत बोलो कि यार I love you. मत बोल यार. Just tell me that I'm enough, or I am perfect. Not perfect, but I am like, just tell me that you're good. Like just tell me that. Sometimes, you know what, we always say that you don't need external validation नहीं चाहिए. वो करेक्ट बात है, एक्सटर्नल वैलिडेशन नहीं चाहिए. बट कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, यू आर अ ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड समटाइम्स आप इनर स्ट्रेंथ लूज कर लेते हो, एंड यू वांट समबडी who you look up to. You must be looking up to this person, yeah, right? I told you this person could be a little bit of a senior or something. कि आप look up करते हो इनसे कि this person carries themselves with so much dignity, this person carries themselves with so much honor, they carry themselves with so much of like power, and you're just like, sometimes I just want that validation from somebody that I look up to, or sometimes I just want this other person to tell me that, yeah, I've been in the same position as you and I'll be like, you'll be fine. Or you just want the other person to just acknowledge you that, yeah, I know that you're looking at me, I know that you're trying to talk to me, and I want to talk to you too, and let's start something. Like you just want that. Sometimes asking others to give you that kind of a confirmation, affirmation is not a bad idea. And आई फील लाइक इफ दैट हैपेंस इट विल काम यू डाउन अ लॉट. आई फील लाइक ये पूरी जो कंफ्यूजन है, ये जो अप एंड डाउन एनर्जी है, इसलिए आ रही है क्योंकि आपके हाथ पे बहुत सारी चीजें, लाइक देयर इज अ लॉट ऑन योर प्लेट and you're being pulled in all directions and you're just like, can I for once, like at least one aspect of my life, okay, career, I have to handle it, fine. Finances, I'm the one person who has to take the responsibility. Family, okay, I'm the one who has to take the brunt of it. I think you're an elder child ho, elder child ho na, elder child ho. तो ओल्डर चाइल्ड सिंड्रोम आ रहा है जहाँ पे आप थक गए हो एंड यूर जस्ट लाइक, कैन आई फॉर वंस इन अ रिलेशनशिप बी द बेबी, कैन आई डू दैट, कैन आई बी द चाइल्ड, यू नो, नॉट चाइल्ड लिटरली, बट यू नो, कैन आई जस्ट बी एट द बैक बर्नर फॉर वंस. मेरे को नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को नहीं एक्सलेटर दबाना हर चीज में, मेरे को नहीं, आई डोंट वांट टू बी अ क्वीन ऑफ swords every time, you know, I don't want to be the action orienter and you're tired of being strong. I feel like there's a facade that you have, आप में वो एक facade है, आप एक चेहरा है आप में, that you try to be strong but you're not. You need somebody, you need love, you're craving for love, and there are times where you want to be able to put up that demeanor in your professional life, in your personal life, आपको वो दिखाना पड़ेगा demeanor, but there are certain times where you're just like, no, I can't do it anymore. So I understand. Yeah, अभी ना चीजें जो है ना, they are very unsuccessful, like in wherever your direction you're going, you're just having like one after the other, things are just not going your way. And even in relationship, even with this person, it's just like आप जो भी सोच रहे हो, it's just like you're getting into a, like a stalemate, it's like a stalemate energy, like whatever you're thinking about, it's just like you're in a loophole, you're just stuck in a loop, right? There's no way out कि अच्छा मैं बात करूँ तो क्या बात करूँ, अगर बात हुई तो क्या होगी, क्या मतलब कैसे निकलेगा, like it's just like you're so stuck, you don't know what step to take, and you're just like, and this energy I'm seeing because the other person is not giving you any reaction only, and उनकी energy check करेंगे हम, right after this I'm going to check their energies. So there's a reason why you're feeling like this ना. अगर एक दरवाजा बंद है, आप उसके ऊपर खटखटा रहे हो, अगर खोल ही नहीं रहे दरवाजा, तो आप क्या करोगे? अगर आप सोचो कि अगर मैंने दरवाज़ा तोड़ दिया और अंदर कुछ नहीं हुआ, तो मैंने अपनी एनर्जी वेस्ट कर दी। और अगर मैंने दरवाज़ा नहीं खोला, नहीं मैंने, यू नो, आई डिडंट टेक दैट एफर्ट, इफ आई डोंट पुट दैट एफर्ट, देन व्हाट इफ समबडी इज वेटिंग फॉर मी बिहाइंड एंड आई जस्ट लूज इट जस्ट बिकॉज़ आई एम नॉट एबल टू हैव द कॉन्फिडेंस। यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग? सो इट्स लाइक अ कैच 22। शुड आई, लाइक इट्स लाइक दैट व्हाट Schrödinger's cat की द कैट इज even like at the same time alive and dead both, you know, that kind of an energy ki you don't know until you know. That is what is happening. I feel like your friends are very, very important in this current energies. Like, listen to your friends. I think whatever your friends are saying, they are trying to protect you. मुझे लगता है कि your friends are trying to give you a sense of like a very balanced understanding about this relationship, about this person. कि यार देख, पहले अपने आप को sort कर ले, फिर देख ले. ठीक है, you take that effort. Let's see how the other person is reacting. Like whatever your friends are saying, they're trying to look out for you. Somewhere you might not be very happy about it, or you might be very dismissive about it, but they are trying to look out for you. I feel like the only way out for this energy is that, ठीक है, you know, you are wanting to take action, but have that action be wrapped around some kind of a intuition that you have, right? There's some kind of an inkling, कुछ आपके intuition है, कुछ दिमाग में चल रहा है, there's some kind of an intuition that you feel is going to benefit you, so take that action through that. Action लो, but be intuitive in that process. Mm. You are also very scared of being perceived, है ना? You're very scared of being perceived. You know what I mean by that? I mean that you don't want to even open up to somebody, or you don't want to come to terms with this person in front of you, because you're just like, what will this person think? मैं desperate हूँ, मैं wannabe हूँ, मैं, you know, you're just like, you don't want to have a, like, you don't want this person who you like to have a perception about you. You don't want to be judged. You're scared of being judged because all your life you have been judged. So the idea of perception scares you. You're just like, I am rather, मतलब, it's so interesting because in the first sentence only I said that you want to do something, you want to take like you want to take action, but you're not afraid of being invisible also, कि मैं invisible रहूं, मुझे कोई problem नहीं है. आप काफी like, you're very flippant, not flippant with regards to your like emotions, it's like confusion, right? Some places you're very stubborn, you're very aggressive. You could be in Aries also, you're very Aries, but at the same time you are wanting and craving like very important, like a loving energy in your life. So it's like, yeah, it's kind of scary. Anything else? Okay, let's look at from here. पता नहीं if I'm making sense. समझ नहीं आ रहा if I'm making sense because you are not making sense. Okay. I do believe that there will be a communication from this person's side, even if I'm not checking this person's energies. मुझे लगता है कि कुछ एक sudden energy shift होने वाली है, and it will be for the good of the relationship. I think that there will be at least some kind of an acknowledgement. Maybe this person will just try to kind of take care of you. Yeah, wheel of fortune nikla hai. Luck, fortune is in your favor. So there's going to be like a game of luck. We can check the timeline also very soon. but some kind of an energy change or shift is going to happen. What is your energy? Yeah, tell me your energy. I feel like you are a person who's very self assured when it comes to when things are in alignment now with you. You're very self assured ki matlab aap, you when you know that things are in your favor. I'll give an example. When you know 90% of the things are going to be in your favor, वो 10% भी आप 100 कर देते हो. Like you are like 90% हो गया ना, 10% का तो मैं effort डालूंगी ही डालूंगी या डालूंगा ही डालूंगा. But जब 50% होता है ना, when you're confused, when there is like 50-50, when there's like odd even, when there's doubts, then you are just like collapsed. You like clarity. You hate being in a confusing state, and this person puts you in a confusing state. This person pushes you into a place where you don't know how to react, because I told you this person is so closed off. It's like you don't know what this person wants, but this person is also giving you a sense of familiarity. This person is giving comfort. So it's like, if I know that this person is mine, if I know that this person is gonna give me that kind of a surety, you will do everything to be with this person. You will. That's why at one point of time you were just like, यार मेरे को confess करने दो. But आपको नहीं पता है, because there's a sense of perception wrong, or scared, you're scared of perception being perceived. So you also hesitate a little bit because you are in a 50-50 position. अगर आपको पता था that this person, no matter what, he's not going to leave me or she's not going to leave me, इसने मेरे सारे हैबिट्स देख लिए, इसने मेरा सारा सब कुछ देख लिया है, तो आप 100% अपनी एफर्ट डालोगे कि भाई ये मेरे को छोड़ के ना जाए. But if you're dubious as to, I don't know whether this person likes me or not, I don't know whether this person is interested in me, I don't know whether this person is interested in a relationship at all, you're just like, I don't know what to do. So when things are indecisive or when things are in a lull mode, it is the worst energy for you. Okay. But again, like, that is why you're not able to stop yourself, because you feel like there's something more in this relationship. There's something that you feel very connected by. You feel like there are times where when you meet him or meet her, or you see him or see her, or talk to him or talk to her, it feels like there is some divine connection that is happening. You literally feel it. You literally feel that there's some kind of a tingling sensation that happens in you or within you. Um, you could be having a tattoo. Do you have a tattoo, like a small tattoo, or your partner could be having a tattoo? The person that you like could be having a tattoo. So that is what is happening. Um, let's check more. Let's check one more aspect of your energies. Okay, let's do this. Okay, this is a little tricky. This deck is very tricky क्योंकि इसके जो meanings होते हैं, meanings मतलब इसके जो symbology होती है ना, वो बहुत tricky है. So it's very important for me to kind of understand. Justice energy. मैंने क्या कहा था पहले? Queen of Swords लग रही थी, but फिर मैंने पढ़ा justice है. So even you are like this only, right? You are like thriving. It's so interesting because you thrive in logic. अभी तक मुझे एक cup नहीं दिखा है. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? There's no cup at all. So you thrive in that. You want things to be logical. You want things to be practical, pragmatic, because you are a person who thrives in it, who you understand कि यार, see, you are a person who's like, a relationship is not sustenance in only just love, liking, emotion. You want things to be concrete. You want to talk, you want to take initiative, you want to exert that power, you want to exert that kind of an affirmation, you want to exert that kind of confirmation. You want things to actually be in momentum. You are tired of just thinking and knowing that, yeah, he likes me or she likes me, but he's not taking efforts. You're tired of it. You rather not interact with this person at all, which you are doing right now. जब तक आपको नहीं दूसरे पर्सन से एनर्जी रिसीव हो रही है, लाइक जस्टिस हो रहा है आपके एनर्जीज के साथ, तो आप इसमें इंटरैक्ट करोगे ही नहीं. यू विल नॉट टेक दैट इनिशिएशन. सो यू आर अ लिटिल ईगोइस्टिक लाइक दैट. ओके, नॉट ईगोइस्टिक, यू हैव सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट. ईगो सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट में बहुत अंतर होता है. ईगो इज व्हेन यू आर एक्चुअली अटैच टू समथिंग दैट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम अ प्लेस ऑफ insecurity. Self respect is you're secure of yourself, right? So yes, you're insecure in other things of life. I'm not saying that you're not, but when it comes to practicality of life, or when it comes to love, you are like, यार इतनी भी बुरी तो हूँ नहीं मैं, इतना तो बुरा हूँ नहीं मैं कि मतलब, this person is just not wanting to interact with me. So you are a very justice oriented person. Like, you want things to be in a balance, you want things to be fair to you, and you don't want to be used at all. So you might not even go into that level कि आपको डर है कि यार, what if this person uses me, right? There could be a possibility that this person likes me also. 50-50 है ना, this person could like me or this person could use me. But since it is 50-50, you're like, bye, I will take a step back. So you thrive in a balanced energy, but you don't thrive in 50-50. There's a difference, right? You thrive in a place where there's a black and white energy. You don't like it when things are mishmashed together. समझने की कोशिश करना, थोड़ा deep है ये. Anything else? You could be a Libra also, by the way, or you're dealing with somebody who's a Libra. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Finally, I got one cup. Okay, I feel like with you now, you have always been Like you've always been told, or you have had an energy where whatever you decide, okay, let me phrase this properly. Actually, I need another card for this. Where whatever you decide to do now, somebody else steals it, right? Whatever thing, like I feel like there have been a lot of places where you've dealt with horrible level of insecurity from other people. Ki matlab, whatever you decide or whatever you choose, you think that other people will take it away from you, or other people will make you feel small for it. And especially in relationships now, it's like a thing where the moment you start liking somebody, automatically this person starts dating somebody else. Has it happened? Let me know. Or this person starts going with somebody else, or this person opens up with their options. So you're just like so scared of the past energies. Like even when you have dated somebody in the past, they have cheated on you. Even when you have been with somebody in the past, they have like it has been a very inconvenient relationship for you. So like the moment you decide that okay, now I'm going to open up, something happens and it just falls flat. So that's why also you're restricting yourself from taking that initiation or wanting to take that step forward, because you're like, you feel like you are unlucky in love. Like you feel आप panauti आ गई है आपको कि यार whenever there is any element of relationship or love or something, something just happened, it just takes, it's just taken away from me. Somebody just takes it away from you, universe takes it away from you, or something is snatched away from you, right? So again, like very sad, like there is a sense of sadness that I can see here. Do you have problems with your father? Let me know. Let me know in the chat, or let me know in the comment section if you're comfortable, whatever. Right? You wish that you had somebody like a man to look up to. Like you wish that you either you have unfortunately lost your father, touch wood if that has happened, I'm really sorry, or if you have a very bad relationship with your father, and somewhere you feel so lost and lonely, and that's why you try to be that hyper masculine in your life. You try to be that hyper masculine energy in your life who tries to do everything by yourself. And I feel like sometimes that is what this person does to you. This person gives you that kind of a warm feeling that a father does. It could be a female also, not necessarily a man only has to be there, but like you sometimes are reminded of what a masculine figure or a father figure would be like. Do you get it? Like not like he has to be a father to you, but it's like the energy of that kind of a strong stoic energy, but that warmth, but that energy of protection wala energy. I'm getting that. Do you love to be in water? Or you have memories of you and your family being in water, like boating together, fishing, going to like what, like going into an aquarium, being near water body? Yeah, I can see the sense of despair in your energies. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि हाँ, you're liking somebody and all that, but बहुत अंदर बहुत void है. There's a lot of emptiness that you are having within you, and it's just that this relationship actually is the only like positive energy in your life, or it's just the only thing that can give you hope. बाकी सारी चीज़ों में आपने hope lose कर लिया है, या आपको पता है कि यार ये होने वाला है मेरे efforts से ही. Sometimes you would feel like, I'm happy. I don't know if this will make sense. Honestly, I'm really like being very intuitive. Sometimes you think that I'm happy that this energy is not reciprocating in that manner, because at least there's a sense of like hope, or there's an energy of like I can just be little bit delusional. मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि हर चीज मुझे reality check मिले. Sometimes you're just like, I don't want a mirror. Sometimes you just like, it's okay if it is something that is, you know dealing a little bit, नहीं बात हो रही है, मुझे वो चेज ही पसंद आ रहा है, because at least it is giving me that sense of like a sense of childlike happiness, because rest everything is so real in front of you. Rest everything is so like realistic. Yeah, I have this, I'm not having this, मेरा ये ठीक नहीं है, मेरा ये ठीक नहीं है, मेरा ये ठीक नहीं है, मेरा ये ठीक नहीं है. कभी कभी you're just like, maybe it's a good thing that this person is not interacting with me so much, or it's a good thing that it is taking a little bit of time from the other person's energies, because maybe that's the only thing that is actually giving me that sense of hope, or that is keeping my faith alive. I don't know if it is making sense, but I'm getting that feeling very, very strongly, right? Okay, so now, okay, that is what it is with regards to you. Let's see what are your person's energies. Person's energies. I want to use this deck. This deck, let's use. Okay, person's energies. This deck I'll use. Sorry, I'm a little confused. So, okay, what are your person's energies? What are there? Okay, what are you ho gaya versus them? Now let's see them. They do have thoughts about you. They also have some homely problems. That is, now I feel, now I know why you feel connected. Now I know why you're connected with this person. This person definitely feels the same kind of a connection that you feel. This person also feels the same kind of a emotional, like uh, जैसे आपको फील होता है ना, like there's a sense of familiarity. This person also feels the same way. This person also has had some troubles in the family dynamics or home dynamics or whatever, like responsibilities, etc etc. कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा सीन है यहाँ पे. But they do think about you. They do have emotional thoughts about you. Let's see. Or they are people who are too caught up in their own mind. That is also a possibility. Remember, I got a four of pentacles. So बहुत ज़्यादा सोच विचार में है. Let me see. Nine of wands. मैंने क्या कहा था? They are too much in their own thinking. Like they are too like non-committal तो है ही, वो तो पता ही था हमें. But Ace of Cups, भाई साहब, dude. Guys, 1 second, huh? You got a Nine of Swords. He got an, like, this person got a Nine of Wands. You got an Ace of Wands. This person got an Ace of Cups. You got a King of Wands. This person also got a King of Wands. Mirror energy है. मैंने कहा था ना, it's like you both are the same people in different genders. Different genders or same genders. Like, see, okay, one more thing a person asked me, that ma'am, can you make LGBTQ friendly readings? Listen, this is LGBTQ readings. There's no gender, okay? Like there's only energy. So please don't think that I'm looking only male and female like that. Please, never ever. This could be boy relationship, girl relationship, anything, any, or transgender, whatever. Everything is fine here, okay? Coming back, this person is exactly you mirroring your energies. So if you are not reciprocating, if you are hesitating, then this person is also hesitating. If you are thinking, यार ये इसको effort करना चाहिए, ये बात करना चाहिए, but this person is also wanting you to talk. It's like तू बोल. Nine of Wands, like you are having your own insecurities, you're having your own things. This person has his own pitfalls. This person has. It's like you both have same problems in a different context. I'm getting that energy where of what is that movie? Gully Boy, it's like you have your own set of problems, like Murad kind of a person, but there are other people, like the person who you like also has a same kind of an issues, like Alia Bhatt wala thing. Like she also has her own kind of setbacks. She also has her own insecurity. She also has her own anger issues. It's the same thing. Like you and your partner are kind of emulating the same kind of confusion, and that is essential in this relationship, because that is what is bringing you together. With the both King of Wands here, it's actually like telling me that both of you have, like, the aspirations are also the same. The way you expect things from each other is the same. This person is actually your soulmate. I really feel like that this person actually is your soulmate, because it is impossible to have that kind of a, like, so much similarity. Well, the 9 ace is 9 plus 1 is 10 also. Itna similarity, itni general reading hai ye bhi. So मुझे लगता है कि this person also has a kind of a similar kind of energy. This person with Ace of Cups here, I would say, is more kind of like more interested in the way you look, like more attracted to you in that manner. With the Nine of Wands versus the Nine of Swords, like you versus him, literally like Nine of Swords versus Nine of Wands. You are having anxieties. You are having much more stresses. You have way more problems, much more serious problems. This person has problems internally. Internal problems. आपकी external problems है. One second. आपकी एक्सटर्नल प्रॉब्लम्स है, उनकी इंटरनल प्रॉब्लम्स है. उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स है कमिटमेंट की. उनकी प्रॉब्लम है, लाइक दे हैव प्रॉब्लम्स विद रिगार्ड्स टू इनिशिएट. दे हैव अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ कमिटिंग. दे हैव अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ टेकिंग अ रिस्क. दे हैव अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ, बट नोटिस हाउ यू हैव एन एस. सो योर एस ऑफ wands plus their 9 of wands can become a 10. Like it's like you and him, or you and her, or you and them can make a 10. It's just like one person has to take that initiation. That's it. Like you will just be like, yeah, you were waiting for me to talk. I was waiting for you to talk. It will be like that. Like, why were you like thinking ki you should, like, it will be like that. Ki yaar, मेरे को लगा कि तुम interested नहीं हो. It will be like that. It will be like that. Okay. Anything else? Every reading of mine, something or the other happens when I'm just like, oh my God, King of Swords. देखो, another king is here. This person is 100% older to you, and now I'm getting 100% energy that this person reminds you of your father, or this person gives you a masculine energy. This could be a woman also, not necessarily a male, but this person gives you a huge reminder of your father. 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%, 101%. Lovers. क्या बोला मैंने? Like, I feel like this is an energy where you are being told by God that there is a reason why this person is not leaving your mind. There's a reason why this person is not leaving your life. There's a reason why even after so many pitfalls, headaches, and all of that, you still feel like there's hope in this life. You still feel hopeful about life. You still feel like there's faith and hope. It's like the universe is giving you a signal कि भाई देख 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 आंखें खोल अपनी, you know. दिस पर्सन कुड बी अ ग्रेट लिसनर. कोशिश करके देखो बात करने की. ऑनेस्टली आई फील लाइक कोशिश अगर करोगे ना, यू विल फील लाइक मे बी दिस वाज अ लॉन्ग टाइम कमिंग. दिस पर्सन एक्चुअली हैज दिस काइंड ऑफ ओके व्हेन इट कम्स टू दिस पर्सन एनर्जीज टुवर्ड्स यू, this person also has walls, but this person has much more of a stoic energy, like with the kings and like with that nine of wands also बहुत ही restricted है. But the moment you are able to kind of knock that door ना, this person will be able to open up. This person also has issues with regards to their own emotions. This person also has the tendency of being extremely like controlling of their emotions, like how I told you, like a queen of swords. This person got a queen of cups. It's like literally mirroring energy यार. मतलब आप mirror कर रहे हो energies. मतलब it's like one person is having one thing as a problem, उसका solution is with the other person. You think that you have a key of something and the lock is at the other person, and you have a lock of something and the key is with them. It's like literally like a lovers. I can't show you this card, but it's like a fusion. It's like a fusion of what you have and what this person lacks, and what you lack and what this person has. And when you come together, it will be like a force to reckon with. It will be like, okay, two people are actually destined to be together, because that is what completion means. Complementing each other. कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग इज नॉट COMPLIMENT. वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट होता है तुम कितनी सुंदर लग रही हो. कंप्लीट कंप्लीमेंट होता है COMPLEMENT. when you complement each other, when you complete each other, that is what I mean by complimenting, right? So that is what you need to know. Anything else? What are their emotions? और बताओ. I think they will be very proud of the fact that you are liking them. I think they will be like, I feel like they are not people who take themselves very seriously, even if they have that kind of an aura, even if they have that kind of a, you know, um, like क्या बोलते हैं, they don't like have a lot of proudiness. And even if they do have a proudiness, it's just like um they will feel very, they don't take themselves too seriously. And when you tell them that, listen, or if you do ever contact to them, or if you ever tell them that, listen, I have a crush on you or whatever, they'll be like, oh my god, you had a crush on me, or you like imagine, such a beautiful person telling me that I'm beautiful, or such a hot person telling me I'm hot, kind of like that. um that is what I'm getting. Anything else with this person's energies? I feel like this person is literally like you in a different cloth and a different gender, obviously. Yeah, 10 of swords. देखा, 10 of swords आ ही गया. 10 of swords आ ही गया. Number 10 आ ही गया. This person has had like a lot of betrayal. Now, understand why this person is not wanting to interact with you. Like their energies currently, even towards you, it's like, I don't want to interact with this person, because what if I have another bout of heartbreak, 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 heartbreak. I don't lie. Like, why would I want to reinitiate anything when I know that I have dealt with this over and over and over and over again? बहुत badly betray हुए हो. Yeah, even with you, regards to you, right? Maybe you have given an energy where you were very mean to them or very rude to them, because of that thing with the justice energy. मैंने आपको बोला था that sometimes you're just not wanting to kind of show that real face of yours, and you try to have that stoicism somewhere. कुछ तो ऐसा मैंने कहा था आपको. And maybe they must be feeling कि maybe this person is not interested in me. So yeah, I think that's very very important. I think this person is very like, अगर आप इनसे कोशिश करोगे ना, like even with you, if you even try to come slightly closer and really genuinely give it a genuine shot, this person will show a lot of kindness towards you. This person is not inherently bad human being. This person is not having any negative intentions towards you. आपके प्रति इनको ऐसे कुछ एक, they don't have a vested interest, or they don't have like anything against you. Try तो करके देखो. I feel like this person is also very very surrounded by a lot of people. So again, like when I told you that you don't know where to put that effort into, आप इनके फ्रेंड भी नहीं बन सकते हो, क्योंकि इनके पास इतने सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं. आपके पास जगह ही नहीं है. बहुत जगह है. नहीं है जगह, बहुत जगह है, बिल्कुल नहीं है जगह. तो वो वाली एनर्जी है कि जगह ही कहाँ है मेरे लिए, आपके लाइफ में जगह ही कहाँ है. बट वो बोल रहे कि यार देख तो ले एक बार, आई विल इंसर्ट दैट मीम समवेयर कि बहुत जगह है. नहीं जगह है, बहुत जगह. वो वाला एनर्जी कि आप बोलो कि बिल्कुल जगह नहीं है, वो बोले बहुत जगह है. आई होप यू हैव सीन दैट मीम. It's like that, okay? Like you don't know what place you will have in this person's life, and this person like, try to करके देख बहन भाई, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Okay? This person is actually a person, like an entity in your life which will actually bring positivity. Like this person will bring that kind of a positivity, and this is the reason why you feel so drawn to this person. क्योंकि इतनी negativity में ना आपको चाहिए कि there should be a positivity. Again, I got a tattoo energy. Like this person might be having tattoo, or you must be having a tattoo, at least one. this person is very very conscious of what kind of an environment they are in. Matlab, they inherently don't like any kind of a negativity, or they don't like any bad habits. Matlab, this person doesn't smoke, doesn't drink, is very health conscious. Like this person doesn't have any vices, except this person gets jealous very easily, right? I feel like that is also the reason why they must be not happy with the way you're reacting, because you must be also like, you're like, acha, theek hai yaar, I cannot focus on this person, let me do something else. And you must be talking to somebody else, or you must be like, if you're in your home, not home, sorry, if you're at a workplace, you must be talking to another coworker, or if you're in a college, you must be talking to another student, and this person can get jealous of it. That they don't have any vices, except that they're really territorial like that. They're territorial with their friends also, they're territorial with everybody. They are very territorial people, very very territorial people. And if you are a person who comes into his or her life, then they will hold on to you, right? This person could come from a different culture of yours. Like, you might be seeing that this person is not from the same ethnicity, same culture, not the same skin tone, could be other different kind of a vibe, but it hits. It still hits, it still makes sense. um what else? What else? This person is extremely talented. Matlab, ye person na, this could be a person who is topper, or maybe a person who's like like school topper, or football captain, or school captain, or college wo kya bolte hain usse, like the people who are like in the committee, like some kind of head of committee. Or this person in your workspace could be on a very high position, pretty achievement काफी करी है. दो किंग्स भी आए थे ना इनके कार्ड्स में, तो pretty achievement is very strong. Like they are very, like, that's why you feel so, that's why you look up to this person, because this person is exactly where you want to be. This person is exactly where you want to be. Like, this person work ethic, work pattern is exactly what is drawn to you. You kind of have this kind of a teacher student is very weird, sorry. Like, you're just empowered by them, okay? You just look up to them. There is going to be some kind of a your paths being crossed with each other. कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे situation आएगा that destiny will make your paths cross. अभी already हो चुका है, but there will be something that will make you come closer to each other. I am getting this energy. Like, your events, you both will have events affecting the both of you. I am getting this energy. Yeah, I feel like your partner or your person, whoever, doesn't think very low of you. Matlab, I think that this person, even if with the limited kind of a conversation that you've had, speaks highly of you. People are gossiping about you. I didn't mention that, actually I should have mentioned it, but people are gossiping about you, or must be talking something about you कि यार इसको देख के क्या कर रहा है, ये क्या कर रही है. But your partner will be like, यार ठीक तो कर रही है, ठीक तो कर रहा है. This person is happy, like he's happy or she's happy with you around. Like, they get a very lively energy, they get a positive energy from you, they get a positive vibration from you. It's not like they hate you or something. They don't have any kind of a vested interest or any kind of a negativity towards you, like that. Anything else? Pretty long, this reading has been very long. Okay, anything else? Just be grateful, yaar, for this person to come into your life. Matlab, in a moment of so much of difficulty, the fact that somebody is in your life and is giving you that kind of a happiness, you should be very happy, because this person actually is giving you a lot of inner guidance, inner strength also. Even if this person is not trying, they are giving you that kind of a, like, they're giving you that kind of a push, even without knowing, and vice versa. um, don't pull away into this relationship. Like, try, like, put that effort in. Abhi ke liye nahi. Let universe do its thing. I feel like right now, let universe handle it, but don't not allow it, right? I feel like a cycle will change, a cycle will close, and a new cycle will begin. Had gotten a luck energy, wheel of fortune energy, so new energies are coming here, unexpected things are happening here. Right now emotions are very unclear, but I think over time, another I would say, this is a timeless energy, so it doesn't matter when, but like 6 months from now, I think that things will shift for sure. And let me know, come back to this energy when 6 months pass, because I want to know what happened. Pile, this is for you, right? So yeah, guys, this is what it is. You versus them. This is what you are feeling versus what they are feeling, and it looks pretty intense. So yeah, I hope that you're able to get whatever support that you need, and I hope I was able to help you. And yes, please do like, save, share, comment whatever you liked about this video. If this resonated, let me know. Please do hype. I think there is a very very important need for people to watch this video. Please do subscribe. A lot of people haven't subscribed. 90% of you guys don't subscribe, so please do that for me. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye. All right, so pile B, pile number 2, if you have chosen this crystal, this is the clear quartz, then this is going to be your tarot reading. So welcome. This is going to be a reading where we're going to see what are your energies versus your partner's, your person's energies. We're going to see in detail what's going on. And yeah, before I go ahead, just let me know whatever resonated in this video. Like, save, share, subscribe to my channel. A lot of you haven't subscribed yet. 90% of you haven't. So please do so. I am so grateful for all the support that you give me. I receive with wholehearted energies. And yeah, do hype this video because it helps me a lot, and it will reach to other people also, and let other people also get the goodness of this video. So yeah, without any further delay, let's just get into it. So we are going to see your energies first. Okay, so you could be somebody who could be born on any of the even numbers, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 till 30. Okay, 32 to hota nahi hai, 30, right? So that is what you are going to be. So again, not necessarily ki if you are not, if you are an odd number born, then this reading is not for you. If you have chosen pile B, that is enough. This is extra information that I'm telling you. Okay, so that is what you need to know. You could be wearing white, off white, cream. You could be wearing like polka dot. Okay, or some kind of a flower is flower pattern का कुछ आपने पहना है. You could be wearing gold or like yellow goldish kind of a thing. Wearing black, gray tones, browns, dark green, green, light green also. You could be wearing red, and you could be wearing purple. Yeah, that's about it. So that is who you are. Okay, additional information. Let's see what are your energies currently. Okay, current energies for you. What are your energies towards your person in general in this relationship? Kya scene hai aapka? What are you thinking? You're in love. You're definitely in love. You feel, the reason why you feel like you're in love is because you feel so empowered within yourself. It's like you have never been this open to yourself. You feel like you have, like, somehow this person, like, you are this kind of a person. When you fall in love now, your career also flourishes, your creativity flourishes, you start being much more nicer to people, you become much more empathetic, your spirituality gets better, and you are in that phase where you have fallen in love, and you feel like everything is beautiful, everything is, you're able to manifest things easily. पता नहीं उनकी energies क्या हैं, but you feel like you are in love, and you're happy about it. There's nothing that you are that fearing. Even if there is a sense of fear, you know that this is going to be fine. Like, you are a person who trusts that things are going to work out for you. You trust it. You believe that things will happen. Yes, maybe there's a sense of a little bit of an urgency that is there. Like, मेरे को थोड़ा जल्दी चीजें करनी है. I want things to be faster, because you know that there's a deep level of connect. Like, you are sure, you're 100% convinced. But there's this kind of a need where you want the other person to also understand the pace of it. Like, you want fast things to happen. And somewhere you are also knowing that this person, like, the reason why you're feeling like this is because whenever you've liked somebody, तो आपने liking ही बहुत कम करी है. You don't like people easily. And more importantly, even if you do like somebody, it is very very rare that it gets converted into a relationship, because you're a person who wants long term. You don't think about relations in a short term energy at all, and you get that feeling from the other person that this is a long term energy. Either this person gives you that assurance, maybe because that is why you're feeling, or you get a feeling from within कि this person is mine only. Like, you have this internal feeling, आपको पता नहीं क्यों आपको फील हो रहा है, but आपको फील हो रहा है कि ये person मेरा ही है. So there is a sense of, like, security that I can see. Whether this person has given you that security or not, I will tell you that later. But what I can see is that there is a reason why you're in love with this person. You are not a person who falls in love randomly. You can like people. You can be like, yeah, this person is attractive. You can like somebody's like profile. You can see a person's reels and be like, yeah, this person is attractive, whatever. But falling in love is a big thing, and also an energy of, like, you have to also understand that when you love somebody, there is a lot from you within that you test people with. Like, you test it. You are asking the other person, okay, are you able to do this, do that, do that, do that, do that, and then only you fall in love. So this person has maybe, like, redeemed themselves in the test that you have given them, or is able to just make you feel that kind of a comfort ho jata hai ki yaar, whenever this person comes in, I forget about everything, and that's why I like this person. So you're in a happy space, let's just put it that way. There's not a lot of insecurity that you're dealing with as of now. Anything else? Yeah, I do believe that this person now, like, in this current energies, there are problems with regards to effort, for sure. There are problems with regards to communication. It's like you realize that this person that you like has issues. It's not like you are delusional about it. You know that this person has issues, but somehow you know that this person will be able to make it work. Like you trust their progress as well. Like you know that this person that you like is a work in progress. You know that this person in front of you is not perfect, but you trust them. You trust that you know you will figure it yourself out. That is the kind of energy that I'm getting. Somewhere you are also a person who is not affected by changes, right? You are not a person who um gets bothered with the fact that okay, there is a shift in the relationship or there is a shift in dynamic. Yes, it can a little bit like make you feel a little like afraid, or it can make you feel like okay, there is some kind of an issue here, but it is never going to make you question the love that you have. No, I don't think so. You are very assured. What was that? You're very assured of your own involvement in this relationship, almost on a level where you're like, you know what, I can make, like sometimes I can put that effort where my love will be enough for two people. Now this can be a toxic thought, not gonna lie, this can be a toxic thought, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि आप बहुत ही, you're giving me a vibe of like that girl from Ekta Villain, that Shraddha Kapoor, you know, like too happy, too giddy, too excited. And it can be somewhere like a thing that can work against you also sometimes, right? You are a person who is very you've fallen in love, and you are a person who genuinely is in a happy mode, but that can be a big blind spot with regards to what is actually happening in front of you, right? In front of you, I don't know, I want to check this person's energies, but it can be that sometimes this relationship is not going in the trajectory that you want, it's not going in the pace that you want, but you're just so hopeful and you're just so faithful कि यार ultimately तो हो ही जाएगा, हो ही जाएगा, हो ही जाएगा. तो कभी कभी आपको पता है कि यू नो लाइक आई एम गेटिंग दिस एनर्जी वेयर यू आर एबल टू मैनिफेस्ट थिंग्स वेरी इजीली. आई हैव गॉट द स्टार मैजिशियन एंड नाइन ऑफ कप्स. Insane manifestation powers you have. Insane. मतलब you have manifested this person in your life, and that's why you're so sure, because you're like यार I trust the universe. The universe will work for me. It has happened every time that universe को मैं बोलती हूँ वो हो जाता है. But what happens is that the manifestation that comes into your life happens with a lot of delay. That is where you get a little bothered. You know that this person is going to come into you, this person is going to like you, or this person will be in your life, but you just don't know how it will happen, and that is what deters you, that is what scares you, that is what gets you affected. कि process बहुत ही dangerous होने वाला है. Like for example, you know that somewhere deep down you will want to marry him or her, or you would want to be with this person, whatever capacity possible. But the way it will happen, like it could be like you will come into long distance, it could be a possibility that the family don't agree, it could be a possibility that this person could have like no like career not going for them. So you're getting the manifestation, but what comes with it, the baggages that come with it, I don't think you realize that. You don't realize the frills and fancies that come with falling in love with this person. This person also has their own baggages, this person also has their own terms and conditions, their own prerogatives, which you either are not willing to look at, or you are overestimating your power of manifestation. You have very good manifestation powers, but you have to be very aware of what is coming with it, and you cannot just be having this kind of a clouded understanding of everything. Like हर चीज happy goody goody nahi ho sakti hai, right? I'm not saying, again, I'm not trying to derail you or demotivate you and make you feel like okay, don't have trust in this relationship. I'm just saying that there are times where you have to be able to acknowledge that there is a delay and you cannot manifest it out of your system. You have to go through it. Whenever there's an inconvenience or something, you immediately run to a tarot reading. Whenever there's some kind of a drawback or something, you're immediately looking for a remedy. Sometimes the remedy is going through it, sometimes the tarot reading is to go through it, sometimes the astrological remedy or astrological sign is to just push through and do what you need to do. Nothing can heal or nothing can remedify your karma. Nothing can remedify. हम बोलते ना कि मतलब यू गॉट द डेथ कार्ड ईयर एंड यमराज है ना. यमराज को कोई नकारा नहीं जा सकता. यू कैन नेवर नेगेट डेथ इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट समथिंग बैड इज गोना हैपन टू यू. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दैट you cannot manifest your way out of karma, basically is what I'm trying to say. You could be a Saturn energy. You could have a very strong Saturn placement. Anyway, so that is what is happening. See, you're like, it's a good thing that आप बहुत ही self-assured हो. You are very, like, you know your powers, you know your strengths, you know everything. But then that cannot be a reason for you to just negate and be, मतलब मराठी में हम बोलते हैं माज. वो माज नहीं, आप प्राउड नहीं हो सकते हो. नाइन ऑफ कप्स आ रहा है यहाँ पे. आप माज नहीं दिखा सकते हो. यू कैनॉट एरोगेंस नहीं दिखा सकते हो. एक एंटाइटलमेंट नहीं दिखा सकते हो आप. ठीक है, एंटाइटलमेंट नहीं दिखा सकते हो इन दिस एनर्जी. Okay, that is what I'm trying to tell you. One second. Anything else that I need to know about this? You are lying to yourself if you think that delays and Sometimes when this person acts a little away, or sometimes when this person says that I don't have time to spend to you, you are lying to yourself that you think that it doesn't affect you. It does affect you. It's like you are overly optimistic, which is a very good thing. It is good to think positively. You think, it's not that you don't think positively, you think positively, but there are, like, I feel like you just are sometimes overpowering that positivity. And there are certain places where you need to really really reflect onto why you are not able to accept the difficulties. You just don't want to accept the difficulties, or you just negate the difficulties somehow. I don't know why. I feel like there will be so much of like I feel like there is a disbalance, and this disbalance is not like sometimes बोलते disbalance आता है क्योंकि आप बहुत ही मतलब नेगेटिव जोन में हो. ये disbalance इसलिए आ रहा है बिकॉज आप एक प्रॉपर एक लर्निंग को completely blind side कर रहे हो. Like there is a learning that is coming here that you're not able to accept, right? I feel like the reason why there are delays is because there's some kind of a learning that you're not wanting to accept, and you're in your own zone कि नहीं नहीं ये तो मेरे accordingly चलेगा, मेरे accordingly चलेगा, मेरे accordingly चलेगा. There's a big learning. What is a learning? I'm not understanding. What is a learning? मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा ये कार्ड देख के. Like there's some kind of a learning that you're not accepting, or you're not willing to acknowledge, or you're not willing to accept. What is that lesson, bhai? I feel like you are not allowing the other person to communicate. I feel like you are a person who अपनी मनमानी कर रहे हो आप काफी अपनी मनमानी कर रहे हो. You're not letting the other person express. Now I feel like you must be thinking that the person in front of you is not expressing properly, but you don't let them speak. You don't listen. Listening skills आपकी ठीक नहीं है. You are you think you're communicating, but it's a monologue. You think that you're talking, but it's only one person talking. You. Okay. um and I feel like the reason why you're having so much of hope and desire and this thing is because you're trying to kind of fake it till you make it kind of an energy में हो आप. आपको पता है reality of the situation is very grim. You know that the reality of the situation is things are not going your way, things are looking a little dull, things are difficult, external circumstances a lot, there's a lot of reality checks that you're getting. There are a lot of places where career is not going in your favor, or his favor, or her favor. There is a problem with regards to sustenance. There is so much of confusion, chaos. Where will we go? What is happening? The world is at a war. There is so much of confusion of the future, but you don't want to accept it because it's going to only make you feel much more, like it is going to give you like you will overthink things, and you might go into a spiral. So आपको सुनना ही नहीं है वो बात, मतलब एकदम ही ताला चाबी मार लिया अपने, मेरे को सुनना ही नहीं है, मुझे बात ही नहीं करनी, मेरे को I don't want to get into that zone only. Like realistic energies and practicality is something that you shy away from. So like in the previous spread there was no cup, here only cups are there and no sword. समझ रहे हो आप? तो ये भी प्रॉब्लम है. There's like a false belief that you have that you will not get somebody better than this person, and that's why this false belief has almost made you convince, it has convinced you that this is the one for you. Maybe this person could be. I feel like I feel like this energy now. What I'm trying to say is that no matter who you are, whoever is watching you, whoever is watching this video, never ever think that you don't deserve better. Even if you're married, even if you're in a relationship, always think that you deserve better. I'm not trying to say that you have to be cocky. I didn't say that. What I'm trying to say is that जहाँ पे भी अगर आपको लगे कि you have to fight for somebody's worth, or you have to give them access on a level where it almost sabotages or destroys your own sense of self, that's a bad relationship. So I'm not saying that you shouldn't have hope with this relationship. You should have hope because there is a reason why you're having that hope. There is a kind of a connect. There is a universal involvement that I can see. I can see. But I feel like there are also places where you are literally ignoring the reality of the situation, and that's a red flag that you have. And that is actually a little worrisome also, because when things are required for you to become like be serious, you generally don't want to take that seriousness. You don't want to interact with that seriousness because you're afraid that things will not go according to you. You're afraid that things will happen not in accordance to you, and you cannot handle that. Like you are a Taurus, Capricorn, or Virgo, 100% sure, because you hate things not going your way. And that's why you always think that whatever change is coming to you, that change is like you are afraid of changes. Basically, you don't like changes, and that's why you delay the changes a lot. Capricorn, Aquarius हो सकते हो आप. Okay. Anything else? What are your energies, bhai? There's a sense of ego also that you have. Like I told you, na, there's a sense of pride. You think that you are the one who has to take like आप ही हो जो मतलब like you think that you are the one who has to be the decision maker. You have to be the one who has to say yes or no. Like sometimes it's not in your hands, sometimes it is in their hands. So like listen also sometimes. um like you are fluctuating in the energy of wanting things to be in accordance to you, but also like there is a sense of imprisonment that happens where your own sense of happiness and your own sense of hope makes you claustrophobic. Like there is a, yeah, I don't know, I don't know how to explain it to you, but understand, okay? Sometimes there is a pretense that that happens. Sometimes you fake this behavior. Sometimes you fake your hope and your like your sense of optimism, because it is much better than actually dealing with something that over like that makes you overthink. It's better than feeling upset, it's better than feeling lonely, it's better than feeling horrible in your energies. Like you're like, yeah, I rather fake it than deal with the reality of the situation. I rather be in my own delusion. तो थोड़ा delusion है यहाँ पे. Like I would rather be in my own sense of perception, because कब से ना I'm not able to see a sword, तो मैं क्या बोलूँ, um, than being able to take things seriously, right? There's a kind of an energy that is coming here. Okay, anything else? I don't know how to explain this. Yeah, it's a little complicated energy. थोड़ा सा I'm getting it's a little difficult for me to explain things today. Anything else? Interesting. I think you are very like you are a person who's also like in a relationship or liking somebody who is, when I told you work in progress, exactly that. Like this person is trying to find a new enterprise for them, or is trying to find like a new path for them, or is in the process of it. And you are just like, don't worry, I'm there for you, I'm there for you. But it's like such a question mark, because this person is still trying to figure themselves out, especially with regards to their career, with regards to their finances also. It is this person is trying to figure themselves out, because of which they're not able to give you time. I don't know their energies, I'll check their energies. But you're just like, it's okay. You're just like thinking ki, yeah, theek hai, you know, ultimately this person will come to me, will come to me, will come to me. But what is happening is that you're just in the hope of this person coming back to you, but you're not getting anything in return. And it's almost like this person is not giving you that kind of space and time, and you're just holding on to the possibility of it. The possibility of it, there's only a possibility of it. You don't recognize that things are breaking apart. You are not wanting to acknowledge that things are breaking apart. आपको ये चीज समझ नहीं आ रही है, आप समझने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहे हो कि चीजें टूट रही हैं, लेकिन like there is a sense of like breaking apart, but you're just like, no, things are fine, things are fine, things are fine, but things are really not that great. I feel like you should be disappointed. Like, can you allow disappointment to come into your life? Can you express your disappointment sometimes? Can you stop being so understanding? हर चीज में understanding करोगे ना, आपको literally ऐसा ही होगा. You now I understand the problem. Your problem is that you are so afraid, and you think so less of yourself, that you are optimistic on another level where you're almost delusional, illusional, and you're scared of being able to open up and tell your problems, tell the other person, listen, I need to be treated like, I want you to pursue me, I want you to, like, I feel like you are so, ouch, sorry, oh my god, kuch hua? It's like I feel like you're so comfortable with the idea of, or a possibility of what could happen, that you are scared of even telling your needs and desires, and you are afraid of being disappointed, because you don't want that reality check. You don't want the other person to actually realize that they are lacking somewhere, because you're just like, it's okay, I'm okay, like मैं कर सकती हूँ, मैं कर सकती हूँ यार. आप एक रिलेशनशिप में हो जहाँ पे, और you like somebody or whatever, like you're in an emotional connect where you should be a person who should also expect things. You're not expecting anything. You are okay with everything. You are okay with no, like less contact, you're okay with more contact. You're happy with one text a day, you're happy with no text. Like you are just like, okay, like you have to be like, itna sincere mat bano yaar. You know, you're too sincere, you're very sincere, which is very nice, but allow yourself to express disappointments, and allow the other person to pursue you. Allow the other person, this person ko, you're doing wifey duties on girlfriend salary when you're not even a girlfriend yet, or boyfriend or husband duties in a boyfriend salary when you're not even a boyfriend yet. It is what it is. And it makes you sad, you know, like, you are sad, why don't you express it? you're expressing great gratitude to express karte ho aap immediately that I am so grateful that this person is in my life, I'm so grateful that this person does this for me, or I'm so grateful that this person is talking to me. Sadness you don't express. Why don't you express that? You're afraid of something. Why don't you express the all feelings? Yeah, see, a relationship is not honestly, this is not an honest relationship, because you're trying to hide things. Like, you fear that if I express some things, then this person will run away from me, this person will feel like I'm an additional burden, so you don't even express things. Maybe this person will get upset, bad temper in person ka, so you'll just like, I don't want to piss this person off. Excitement तो आप अच्छे से express करते हो. You need spiritual healing. Like, I can see a lack of spirituality. Spiritual grounding नहीं है आप में. You're not spiritually grounded at all. Do you wear glasses? You wear contact lenses or glasses, or the person that you like wears contact lenses or glasses? I feel like there's a very deep problems with regards to um like, there is a deep like problems with regards to how you feel into, like, emotional well-being is a big problem here. I feel like you don't eat well also. Gut health, I can see. Gut problems, I can see. खाना ढंग से नहीं खाते हो. Problems with eating habits are very poor. You eat junk, or you eat a lot of cholesterol, like you eat a lot of oil. You eat a lot of नमक, ज़्यादा नमक खाते हो. Healthy नहीं हो आप. Gut issues are a problem. Anything else, bhai? I feel like, somewhere, like, I feel like there are so many places where you also have trust issues, but you're just not able to express it because you fear that if you express that you are having trust issues, or you fear that if I tell them that, listen, I don't know if I can trust you, you fear that this person will run away from you. You could be a water sign also. Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. ये Pisces वाली हरकतें भी हो सकती हैं. Pisces वाली हरकतें भी हो सकती हैं. Yeah, there are places where, it's like your overcompensation is so high. You overcompensate for everything, right? You overcompensate for the lack of security that you have. So that's why you don't want to be demanding. You want to be the cool person. You want to be the low maintenance person. You want to, low maintenance kya hai na? Low maintenance is basically being happy with nothing. Low maintenance basically is like you overcompensate for the lackness of things. That's what I said कि आप एक person का जो प्यार है दो लोगों के लिए fit हो सकता है, because you overcompensate. You feel that you're not beautiful, you feel like you're not handsome, you feel like you are not happy, you feel that you are not good enough for this person, so that's why you're okay with whatever this person gives. क्योंकि ये तो, like, you almost feel like you are out of the league. You almost feel like, this person can do so much better. मतलब मैं तो एकदम ही, you know ऐसे ही हूँ, मतलब एरा गहरा नत्थू कह रहा हूँ. Yeah, I'm just like a nobody in front of this person, so I overcompensate by not demanding anything. You almost feel like, you both, when you are standing together or whatever, you're talking together, you think that, oh my god, this person can do so much better. You feel slightly insecure, and that's why you overcompensate, because your insecurities are so high that you overcompensate by being understanding. And you know what, fun fact, ये जो आप अंडरस्टैंडिंग का गेम खेल रहे हो ना, अंडरस्टैंडिंग अंडरस्टैंडिंग अंडरस्टैंडिंग, यू विल, आपको घुटन हो रही है उससे. आप अच्छे पर्सन बन गए, ठीक है, बन गए, आप अच्छे पर्सन बन गए, आप अंडरस्टैंडिंग बन गए, आप चिल पर्सन, कूल पर्सन बन गए. आपको इन रिटर्न क्या मिल रहा है? You're not getting anything in return. You're only feeding off of that delusion over and over and over again. Nothing else is happening, right? Anything else? Okay, let's see. Let's see this. No, this I've already taken out. What should I do? I'll take out this actually. Let's see what else is happening. Okay, let's see what else is coming to you. What else are your energies? What else are your energies? Confusion है अंदर, but express नहीं कर पा रहे हो. Fire swords, fire wands. You are so afraid of confrontation, भाई. Judgment भी है. You are afraid of confrontation because you are fearing that this person will go back to their past, or you're afraid that this person will tell that, this person was way better than you. You to are so difficult to please. Confrontation problems are severe here. I feel like with this energy, right, I feel like there has always been a problem with you being able to, you hate fighting with people. You hate it. You are a person who maybe has seen a lot of fights in their life, and you're just afraid of confrontation. Yeah, you are that kind of a person कि भाई confrontation नहीं होनी चाहिए. I can't express myself, I can't tell my needs, I can't tell my desires, I can't do that. The moment there's an energy of confrontation, I run away. That's why it's so hard for you to even speak. Like, now I know, nah, now I know. You are so afraid of expressing your needs and desires because you feel that expressing your needs and desires is almost like like you're confronting somebody. But you can express your needs and desires like normally, like, listen, I think I need this, I need that. You don't have to fight for it. And it's almost like, sorry, I'm trying to just get comfortable, but it's almost like you feel like the moment there's a confrontation, it ends up ruining the relationship. Like that is what you have, that fear somewhere. कॉन्फ्रंटेशन से भागते हो इसलिए आप अपनी नीड्स एक्सप्रेस नहीं करते हो, इसलिए आप ओवर कॉम्पनसेट करते हो क्योंकि आपको बुरा फील नहीं कराना है अपने आप के लिए. You don't want to feel pity about yourself. You don't want to see that reality check. That's why you completely are dismissive of the reality of the situation because you don't want to see the things in front of you. You don't want to check the reality. You don't want to see you don't want to smell the coffee. And that's why you are having this kind of a bubble that you live in, and that bubble is coming from the place of not wanting to confront and not wanting to not wanting to express your needs and desires, especially not wanting to speak the things that are actually a little bit thorny in your life because you fear that the other person will not be able to understand you. So there is a guard that you're wearing of like, I'm so understanding, I'm so understanding. Basically you're fearful. Basically आप fear में रहते हो, आप understanding नहीं हो, आप उस चीज का नकाब पहनते हो. You are not understanding. You have no other choice to be understanding. You have no other route apart from being understanding. You don't have any other option but to be understanding. So you're not being understanding from a choice. You're being understanding from a sense of pressure. Not pressure, but like that's the only solution. Your soulmate is your higher self. Your soulmate is, this person is your soulmate, but your soulmate is the person on the other side who's able to express their needs, who's able to command respect, who's able to say what they want to say, who's able to be able to advocate for their rights, who's able to stand up to themselves. Like I feel like you have no political opinions also. I feel like you don't have any opinion by yourself. You are a थाली का बैंगन, जहाँ पे फिट आ जाएगा, हाँ 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 करेक्ट है, जहाँ पे भी आपका कोई एक सेंस ऑफ आइडेंटिटी है ही नहीं. Sorry, I'm saying like that, but your soulmate, now I realize now that the soulmate that you're wanting in your life, like somewhere even in this relationship, like the reason why you're so understanding and you're so this thing is because you're able to find that kind of a dignity that you're wanting by your own self. First heal yourself. I think that the person will come into your life, ठीक है वो जो भी है. First heal yourself. You need a really strong sense of healing. आपको एक sense identity नहीं है. There is a lot of nakedness that has to be there, which you are not allowing yourself to. कुछ बहुत ही ज़्यादा आप अपने आप से ही झूठ बोल रहे हो. There's some kind of a pretense, false pretense. There's some kind of a fakeness that I can see very strongly, and it's almost giving me like that kind of a feeling where you need to kind of open yourself up to yourself. अपने आप को आईने में ध्यान से देखना, ठीक है, और अपने आप से ऑनेस्ट कॉन्वर्जेशन करने की कोशिश करना, जर्नल करने की कोशिश करना. लाइक हैव अ लाइक आई वुड रिकमेंड यू टू डू अ डायरी एंट्री ऑफ डियर माई हायर सेल्फ. This is what I want to tell you. This is who I want you to be, etc., etc. Just have like a proper heart-to-heart conversation with your own self. You need it. Yeah, you need it. It'll take 1 year's time. I think that there will be like, I think after this reading, I think you will be able to take that step. मुझे लग रहा है कि ये reading आपको थोड़ा सा understanding देगी, and it will make you kind of come out of your shell, or it will make you come out of that kind of a, like something will sprout within you for sure. In 1 year's timeline, things will get better for you for sure. Now, okay, now it's just been half the reading. Let's see your person's energy. अब हमने इतना आपके बारे में बात कर लिया है. Let's see what is your person's energies. Your person's energies are very important. So what zone is this person in? तो ठीक है, you're not able to express yourself, but does this person give you that kind of a comfort to express? What are this person's energies? This person is also slightly elder to you. देखो, elder जरूरी नहीं है कि age ही होगा. Sometimes the person is more mature than us also, right? So that can also be a possibility, even if they're the same age. This person's energies are slightly more sorted than yours. This person is definitely dealing with some kind of a burden by themselves, I agree. But this person is not inherently having any vested interest against you, or this person is not trying to be a bad human being towards you. In fact, I feel like this person also is interested in you, likes you. But I do feel like this person has their own way of handling things. This person has their own, I would say, trajectory as to how they want to lead their life, um, much more sorted than you, way more in tandem with their emotions than you, slightly controlling, थोड़े controlling है ये. They like to do things in a very pragmatic way. Like they are not delusional. They are not delusional. They're very practical. And they the perspective that is coming to me is that they are looking at timing a lot, like timing focused बहुत है कि क्या what thing makes sense at what time, at what situation. That is what they are more careful about. It's not like they try to not tell you, it's not that they are doing something that makes you not express. That's a you problem. I don't see that they're trying to close your opinion, or they are trying to close your mouth, or they are being very negative towards you or shady towards you. मुझे कोई ऐसी energy मिल नहीं रही है. If you wanted to, you could have a honest communication with them. You could. You just don't. This person is having some kind of an important change in their life. That's why they are not able to give you time. This person is having some kind of a very important shift in their life. कुछ एक बहुत ही बड़ा shift हो रहा है इनके life में. I'm getting this energy where they are going to travel somewhere, or they are getting into a new job, or they are having a new direction in their life, or they are in a new phase of their life, which is why they are focused so much heavily onto that. And that's why you feel very neglected in the relationship, or in you feel neglected in the dynamic also. Not relationship zaruri nahi hai ki aap relationship mein ho. Even if you are in a like normal situationship, or like you like each other, it's like this person is not able to feed into that relationship, or is not able to give you any kind of a commitment, because this person is themselves going into a new phase of their life, or is going in or entering a new journey. Okay, they do take your opinions, they do value your opinions, but you always try to ego, like you try to satisfy the ego. You do that a lot. You try to satisfy this person's ego somehow. I don't know why, but आप इनको एक बहुत ही feel good answers देते हो. Like whenever this person tries to talk to you, just you're like, yeah, do you are perfect the way you are, you can do whatever. Like, give them real answer now, what is right for them and what is wrong. You try to feed their ego a lot. Oy. I do believe that this change that is happening is going to be it is going to be better for the relationship. Like वो जो भी एक change से जा रहे हैं, I told you, right, I got a butterfly energy. So they are going from a caterpillar to a butterfly, and that butterfly energy will be good for your relationship. It will be good for it. So I think that the feeling that is happening right now is going to be temporary. The feeling that you're having is going to be temporary right now. What else is happening in this person's relationships? I think this person now, this person also needs help, this person also needs your support, this person also needs your guidance. But I feel like if you are not able to express yourself properly, then what kind of a support will you give the other person? And even when you give the other person the support, why don't you ask that same in return? क्यों आप अपने आप को sorted दिखा रहे हो? क्यों आप अपने आप को, why don't you show, or why don't you accept that you need help sometimes? I don't know why you have this kind of a perspective where you don't want to show your weaknesses. And it's not coming from, oh my god, I'm so sorted. It's like there is some kind of a weird energy that I don't want to be the one who demands anything. I don't want to be the demanding person. But demand hai hi nahi hai. You know, it's like this person always will come to you asking for help and asking for support, and you'll give it. But you will never do that. You know, this person will come to you before taking any decision, but you will not come to this person like while taking any decision. You'll just be like, yeah, I know what to do. Or you'll stop yourself. I don't know why. Don't stop yourself, you know. I feel like personally, personal strength थोड़ी weak है आपकी. Like there's no sense of personal strength only here. And the idea of maintaining peace is very important to you. कि भाई कुछ भी हो जाए, peace maintain होना चाहिए. Disruption देख नहीं सकते, लेकिन कभी कभी ना you have to, बोलते ना orderly, अगर orderliness लानी है ना, तो थोड़ा disorderly चीजें होनी चाहिए. Like you are so scared that peace should not be removed, that things get very very bad. And you know, with this person that you like now, this person has so much of importance that he gives to his own emotions or her emotions, jo bhi hai. This person values this person's energies. Like, okay, I don't want to talk to you, I will not talk to you. I don't want to have this kind of a thing, I will not. Like, this person asserts his energies, and he or she asserts their kind of a dominance. They have a say. That is very important. And you know, they feel like your energies now sometimes, like, I'm going to be honest with you, they feel like you're very stupid sometimes, right? जब कुछ अच्छा लगता है तो ठीक है, जब अच्छा नहीं लगता है तो बोलते हो कि अच्छा लग रहा है. Like, they think that you sometimes act very stupidly. There's like an energy where they feel like you need to be able to have the kind of a emotional sense of acceptance of life, right? It's like you, like this person also knows that you are not emotionally balanced. You're just emotionally closed off, and you're trying to be optimistic, but that is still an emotional pitfall that you have. Okay, let's look at here. Okay, what else are his or her emotions towards you? Sorry, something has happened. This person actually feels like you're not their type. That's why maybe you're even more worried, because in the past maybe you feel like this person has been with more beautiful people, more attractive people, more handsome people, and you're just like, I'm not good enough. So you are just like, no, then if I'm not feeling happy about my own energies, or if I'm not having that sense of confirmation in my own energy, then I'll try to be a good easy person to be with, right? I feel like this person is like, somewhere this person is also too passive. Like, even if okay, this person knows that you are trying to overcompensate, but then this person doesn't take the initiative to be able to ask you, okay, what is the reality of the situation. वो भी अपने ख्याल में खोए हुए रहते हैं. This person also doesn't understand. This person also can't read the room. I feel like there is this energy where you are selfish, not selfish, but you are in the midst of ensuring that there is peace being maintained. You try to ensure that there's no disturbance. And this person is selfish in a way where if there is no disturbance, then everything is fine. Right, you get it? Like, this person is also very passive, where this person is like, अगर कोई issue है नहीं तो क्यों मैं issue की बात करूं. But आपको पता है issue है, लेकिन आप बात कर नहीं पा रहे हो. And the other person is like, if there's no issue, then why should I talk? Why should I have any kind of a communication? Why should there be any answer from my side? You know? So two individuals are functioning in a very different capacity here. It's like both of you guys are scared. Both. Even this person is very scared. This person is scared. If ever you ask this person that, you didn't do this, you didn't do this, you didn't do this, this person will also get very anxious. This person will also not have any answer. It's like both the two individuals are having their own sense of insecurities, own sense of anxieties. Yeah, this person also feels a little afraid. If I tell you honestly, this person's emotions, like, this person is able to express their disgust, their disdain, their boredom, their upsetness so easily, so easily. This person tells everything to you because they confide in you. They're able to express themselves, or they feel that there's a kind of a connection that they have, or they're able to, like, I don't know, like, I'm getting this energy where this person is able to express everything to you. बट यू कांट, एक कमिटमेंट नहीं आप मांग सकते इनसे, लेकिन ये आपको हर चीज बता देंगे. दिस पर्सन ट्रॉमा डम्प्स ऑन यू समटाइम्स. दिस पर्सन pushes their energies onto you, but you take it, you take the load, you take the load like anything. And when the other person is like, when you are wanting the other person to hear you out, you don't speak, and the other person doesn't stay enough to listen to you. Incompatibility है थोड़ी यहाँ पे. There's a little bit of incompatibility that I can see. This person is in their own दुनिया, अपनी दुनिया में. ये person भी अपनी दुनिया में. Like, I feel like when it comes to this person's energies towards you, this person thinks of you in a very one dimensional manner. This person doesn't think of you in layers. This person doesn't think that you are having layers, that you also have like your own hormones, your own mood swings, your own perspectives. Flatline energy है. She's fine, she's not fine. She's happy, she's not happy. ये ऐसे नहीं होता है. Or he is happy or he's not happy. Like, it's like this person is just so dismissive ना sometimes. Like, you also are like, यार क्या ही बताऊं इसको, कुछ समझ में तो आने नहीं वाला है. This person is a little too selfish. Like, I feel like this person is selfish, and this person only thinks about themselves. But then you also don't, like, sometimes you have to be able to just say that, listen, you're being a jerk. Like, you don't say that also. And that's why this person is just never, it's like a loop. Like, you don't express, that's why he doesn't or she doesn't think that there's any need to talk, or there's any need to fix certain things. And because there's no need to fix certain things, you're like, okay, this is a peace that is being maintained, I don't want to disturb the peace. Since the peace is not being disturbed, the other person feels like, okay, there's no need for me to touch it. Like, hey, you can rely on this person, but this person also has, it's so interesting because this person is able to emotionally express themselves in every given capacity, but is having lack of compassion towards you. Is not compassionate towards you. अपनी पहले सोचते हैं. कंपैशन क्या होता है? कंपैशन होता है कि यार दूसरे पर्सन को भी एक एम्पैथेटिक लेंस से दिखाना. This person is sympathetic towards you, is not empathetic towards you. Compassion, he lacks or she lacks compassion. This person is able to execute their emotions a lot, but they don't have the space to have your emotions being, like they are not able to involve your emotions in their life. ठीक है चलो आप, you're trying to maintain the decorum, you're trying to maintain the peace, you are a person who also is talking to this person in front of you, you know, I'm talking to your partner, like you are also talking to this person, you're also emotionally investing in this person, आप थोड़ा सा एक step back नहीं ले सकते हो, अपनी बातें करते रहोगे? Like don't you understand that there is a sense of incompletion in this relationship? The other person is hesitating and wants to ensure that there's no problem in this relationship. She's or he's trying to ensure that you don't get affected, that your life doesn't get affected. Aren't you responsible? Aren't you having the energy of being able to allow the other person to at least tell what they want? ठीक है आप चलो बोल नहीं रहे हो, आपका भी प्रॉब्लम है वो, बट आप समझने की कोशिश करो ना. Why don't you have any compassion for the other person in front of you? Something is incomplete. कुछ ना incomplete है इस relationship में. There's something incomplete. There are certain conversations that are not happening. There are certain things that are being left unsaid. कुछ ऐसे incompatibility दिख रही है मुझे. There's something more that needs to be done in this relationship, either from your side or from the person's side. ना आप कर रहे हो ना वो कर रहे हैं. Like there is love. I can see that soulmate energy in you. Don't worry. I can see it. But it बस कहने के लिए नहीं होता है ना. Like there is so much that is like layering ही नहीं है इस relationship में. Nuance nahi hai. There's no nuance in this relationship, and neither the person wants to be able to take out that nuance in depth. They don't want to go into the depth of the relationship at all. I feel like you need to understand when to draw boundaries as well. Like you need to be able to now be a little selfish and think if this person is able to express so much, you also do it. You also say that now listen to me this time. Like you have to be able to put that energy in that direction. And they will be angry with you. They will be like, why didn't you tell me earlier? Abhi kyun batana hai when I have so much going on in my life? Why are you telling me this right now? Can't you see that I'm going through so much stress, blah blah blah? And then you tell, and that is what that is what your worry is. What if I try to irritate this person while this person is going through a lot of shit in his life or her life? But aren't you going through it? Aren't you also going through the same thing? तो आप उनकी भाई थोड़ा कुत्ता टॉमी साड़ा कुत्ता कुत्ता, like that is the energy. Like you have your own things going on, but I don't. When you trauma dump on me, that's fine. When you express to me, that's fine. When I express the same, when I tell you that I'm having these problems, you're like, okay, why are you telling me this? Can't you see I'm having struggles? ये कैसा selfishness है यार? This is such an incomplete relationship then. It's actually giving me a little, I'm getting angry. अच्छा ही लगता है यार जब ऐसे देखती हूँ मैं energy, right? Feels very unfair. I don't want to take out these cards actually. I don't want to, I want something very real reality check चाहिए मुझे, ये दो. When this relationship is good, it's so good. When this person was like initially meeting you, talking to you, felt so happy. And there's a reason why you were feeling so happy in the earlier reading also, because this person gave you that hope. This person gave you that kind of a confidence. This person took you in their stride. But then they made mistakes. They made severe mistakes. They got ahead of themselves. They decided to think about themselves. They became selfish. They became intolerant towards you or intolerant towards anybody else. Compassion got reduced. You were like, okay, maybe this person is having a phase, and you were just so afraid now to lose this person in your life that you're like, okay, I'm just going to reel the energy that was there initially. पहले कितना अच्छा था ये, and you are just thinking कि यार ये वाला energy वापस आ जाए, वापस आ जाए, वापस आ जाए, वापस आ जाए. हो सकता है things can get better. I do believe that things will get better. I think you need to really reflect on your own energies first. आप तो थोड़ा सा आपको you have to become a थोड़ा सा, you're a little भीगी बिल्ली. थोड़ा सा आप एक lioness वाली power में आओ. You have to become a lion. You have to become a lion or lioness. Serpent power, snake energy, like a proper, like I am like selfish little bit kind of an energy. Work on yourself. You need to work on yourself, and I think you'll be able to kind of take this relationship in your stride. I think this relationship will become sustainable. 8 of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. मतलब ये groundedness जो आपको चाहिए ना वो आपको आ जाएगी. You will get that groundedness. Emperor, yes, Emperor's energy. You will get that groundedness. You have to take reins in your hands. I feel like right now the entire relationship is going in accordance to your partner. The entire direction, the entire timeline, the entire journey is happening in accordance to your partner and not in accordance to you. I think you need to do something about it. You need to do something about it, and when you do it now, you will be able to understand there's so much of ease in which the relationship can go ahead. It's like you have to be able to take that kind of responsibility as well, to be able to ensure that the relationship just doesn't go in one person's way. It will help the relationship only, by the way, right? So that is what I'm getting, guys. And I feel like this is going to be something that is very important to you, pile B. Matlab, let me just pull out one last advice or something. Like, I want to end on a good note. Ending on a good note, I want to do it. Hmm. Why don't you I don't know if this makes sense, but try to do some charity. Try to start, like, try to donate something for starters. Like, try to find that kind of a thing where I'm able to help other people, kind of an energy. Like, I'm like, I feel like the reason I'm saying that is because a lot of times you feel like you are the one with a katora in hand and you're begging for the person's attention. And I feel like you should start doing a little bit of charity to get that sense of feeling like I can help other people as well. Like, I'm getting that kind of an energy. Accountability is required from your side and the person's side also. And don't run away from expressing yourself. Like, don't run away. I feel like things will go, closure will approach. Like, I feel like this relationship will have that kind of a realization, and this person will understand the kind of efforts and sacrifices that you're making. It's just a matter of little bit of taking reins in your own hands and being able to kind of tell the other person that, listen, this is what is happening in my life. Like, that is what I'm seeing here, right? So yeah, this is what it is for you, pile B. This was pretty detailed. I hope I was able to help you. And if this resonated, do let me know, and do let me know what you want to watch next. Please like, save, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hype this video. And yeah, if you want to book a personal session, then all the information is in the description below. You can check it out. And yes, I will see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.